this is MCTV. Today, we're going to show you a new segment that we made up
Just
called Bouncing Around.
Yeah.
We just thought of it a couple minutes ago.
Yeah.
So we're going to make our way to the trampoline. You're going to videotape me first. Ready?
Bouncing crazy.
Oh yeah! There's Fuzzy's gotta be in this.
Oh.
Right up. Okay, I'm gonna do it the first time with Kayla. So everybody stay on one side, and everybody Alright, Caleb, my turn.
Go on, do it.
Sorry.
In front of the camera.
Ready? Three, so you gotta move here.
You don't want it.
I usually land that. That was so close, seriously. Okay, ready? Good job, Sarah. Sarah, move. What did that do? In front of me? No. Sarah, move.
Filmer gets on.
You might want to move too.
Yeah.
I want to jump on the trampoline alone. So just jump on the... I can't do this. Hey.
Pretend it. Turn it around.
Hey.
Then turn it back around and then hold it down low.
Look what I made on the trampoline.
What's that?
Hold it
Gary?
down low. Hold it down low.
Well, you
Hold it
just
down
finally got
low.
4 points in 2 games.
Hold it down low.
Why?
And then go.
11 nothing, it's up 7
Eight ball
nothing.
is gone.
You're up for the first time we get.
Wow, it's like he just fell out of the sky. Yeah, dude.
Wow, it looked like she just fell out of the sky.
Yeah.
Cool.
Alright. I think we've had enough bouncing.
We're going to do basketball shootout 2. Whatever, 1. Get away.
Ball.
Where'd you put it?
Oh, it's like a truck.
Everyone sees it. It ain't under the truck. It's on the grass on the other side.
Here, just put the camera up there.
No.
How many do you think we're going to get? One.
In a row?
Yeah.
I think you'll probably get 5 in a row.
Oh.
First one not counting.
Oh. I have 10. I have to get at least 5 in.
Yeah.
They don't have to be in a row, though.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. 4. 1.
2.
2.
That basketball
2, 5.
sucks.
It does. 3, 6. 4, 7. Just shot the pen by it. 5, 8. See if I can get 2 more in.
Then I say switch user ball.
Camera dude. Oh.
Did that that even go in? Because the camera can't see in the net.
No, it didn't go in.
Okay. Click it. Incoming.
You'll get 3.
I don't think.
Stop doing it the easy way.
Fine.
He's way there. Right
Freaking dang. So stupid.
there, we're good for this segment.
No one's
We're
mowing the freaking sewer.
No, they aren't.
Same thing with
Caleb thinks when somebody's coming along in a tractor, they're mowing a sewer.
No, I don't. That was lame.
Now let's go end this with some MC dancing. Woo!
Whoa! Come down! Dancing! Yeah!
Now this is MC dancing. This is MC dancing with no music, so it's good. Kind of, yeah.
Mental health there! Yeah.
This is MCTV, episode 2, season 1.